Leffingwell. Nice and early. Everyone's here.
You go over these rocks?
I think so, yeah. Thank you. Should be good. All right. Thanks. Ooh.
He wants to go.
No, it's off. It's on? Okay. Alright. This is it. This is much more difficult than La Jolla. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Yeah, wait for this set. Yeah, this is suicide if we go out like that. I know. Thanks for... Alright, that's a set. What the fuck? Oh shit! I can't! What?
You waiting for the set to come?
Yeah, wait for the set.
Wait, they're coming, they're coming.
I know.
Oh shit.
That's a set?
No. Wrong way, wrong way. Go backwards. You got it, come on, punch.
You're driving, you're good. You're driving. You're good.
Pedals, pedals. Oh, that was shady, but he made it.
I don't know what happened out there, but that was a danger. But we made it. Come on. Hey, how's it going?
Hey bro, can you help me how to change this?
What's that?
Can you change this to number 2?
Number 2?
Yeah.
On the drive?
Yeah.
So what you see at the top button right here, there's a gray button. You press down. There you go. You're welcome.
Wow, what are you doing? Let's go.
All right. Come on. Oh shit. Oh, you're out here already. So
I thought you were gonna die for
I know, that's what I thought. So what? And it's all recorded.
I know.
So I was trying to paddle, right? You saw me, right? I was paddle.
Kayak, first of all, was like this.
Uh-huh.
Like the weight was shifted toward your left or toward your right.
Yeah. It was weird. It was just the kayak just out of control. I'm like, fuck it, I need to do a quick turnaround or else I'm just gonna crash on this hill.
You should have went backwards. You should have not made that donut
Whoa.
because you were like already in the clear. You just needed to go backwards.
Oh, I didn't know I was in the clear already.
Yeah.
Oh, and then Kay was like, yeah, just drop the drive, use the rudder. I'm like, yeah. Dude, that helped. I was like kind of losing my shit a little.
The way you're holding your paddle, I think it's also...
Hey, Nasco, did you make a waypoint?
Well, I was helping the other guy in front. The surf got big. It twisted my kayak. It got like completely covered. I'm covered in pebbles. Everything is like crunchy against the pebbles.
Yep. So your fish finder's not working? Oh shit. That's not good. Where's Bobby? Oh, there he is. Yeah. I have to attach everything out because I was worried I was gonna flip out there. So every time I launch out, I put everything inside.
Oh, okay. You gotta just unload everything?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, I still need to rig up the reel.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. That's the best way. Except
Yeah.
every time we go back here, put everything it has.
That's what I do, yeah.
You have to do like that.
Yeah. Because I'm not sure if you saw me, like, the kayak was turning the weird way. I was like,
They were running to eat the fish.
I was like, I'm gonna die. And then I didn't realize I was already out of the surf zone.
Alright, we're going straight forward. No move, no foul. They're too long with one.
Said if you get tired, he'll throw you in with his motor.
Yeah. Yeah, so what do you think it happened that I turned, I lost control? Because I was trying to paddle as hard as I can.
I think it was the current.
Really?
Just you went in the right moment, but that's when the wave will start.
Oh, like a riptide.
Yeah, it was the riptide was changed, and again your gravity was like this, like your kayak was sideways.
Really?
You're gonna tip over or something.
Do you have it on the video?
Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet. Sweet. Fucking sweet.
I thought you were like ready to come back and give it another go from the sand. Boy, you hit
No.
Is that the reef right there, Sean?
No, the thing is, that was actually what I was thinking. Like, come back, because I was a little panicked.
140. Going, dude, not there yet.
Huh?
We're barely like halfway.
Without the intervals between the settlers, like you had a margin of error.
Yeah.
If they're close to each other, like 8-9 seconds apart, you were in trouble.
Yep.
But 13, 14 seconds, 15 seconds even, after you launched, there was no waves for like about a minute after that.
Really?
Yeah, but I didn't go because I held fuel, and then I was like, let me wait until the next set comes and I'll go after, and I kept staying there for like 2 minutes before the wave turned.
I see. Hey, Nasco, I need squid. Oh, tired. Toss it, throw it. Okay, not throw it. Thanks. Dude, a lot of fish down here. You already caught stuff?
I know.
Yeah?
board, firm on the board.
Hey, that's a decent size story. There we go, copper. Limit out. Well, it's embarrassing size because El Nino happened and there's no more kelp. Wait, is this a quillback or copper?
Quillback, you only have one keeper.
So quillback and copper is the same like limit, right?
Quillback is one, I don't know, copper. Tartar sauce, it's a little soupy over there, but don't panic. Just once you get close, just give it hell. Watch out. You good?
Hey! I landed.
Yeah, brother.
Holy crap.
Leg press. It's fucking heavy. Grab that leg.
Ah, my leg. Cramp. Gruba.
I'm filming. Stay strong.
Oh,
Shit.
okay. Much better, much better.
Adrenaline.
My cramp.
I don't have.
So in the end, it's a very successful trip. Everybody catch fish, and thanks to my dad helping out with everything else, and almost died, but it was an amazing trip. Never make the same mistake again. We'll go next time. So we're doing catch and cook. Only reason why my dad come to the camp is he wants to do catch and cook.